All right, so today we're doing a deep dive on something that has just been all over the internet.
Oh, yeah.
NaturalRems 16-in-1 Sea Moss Gummies. They've gone completely viral.
And the claims are pretty ambitious. We're talking everything from more energy, better digestion, all the way to improved testosterone.
Exactly. So our mission here is to cut through all that noise. Is this stuff legit, or is it just really, really good marketing?
Let's find out.
Okay, so first things first. The sources confirm NaturalRem is a real company. This isn't some fly-by-night operation.
No, not at all. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee, different shipping options, even those auto-ship deals.
And they claim to have, what, over 150,000 customers? Plus thousands of reviews.
They've definitely built a serious platform.
So let's talk about the pitch. The 16-in-1 wellness powerhouse.
Right. It's an aggressive claim. They say it supports immunity, gut health, metabolism, heart health, you name it.
And to do that, they're combining the sea moss with other traditional ingredients like Bladderwrack and Burdock Root.
That's the whole 16-in-1 idea. One gummy to cover all your bases.
But are people actually feeling the results? I mean, they have a 4.2 out of 5 on Trustpilot, which is pretty strong.
It is. And when you dig into those reviews, people are reporting, general benefits, not specific cures.
General benefits like what? Like a quick energy buzz or something more?
A bit more, it seems. The most common things are feeling more energetic and focused, getting better sleep, and just an overall improvement in mood and stamina.
So it's working as a kind of general daily booster for a lot of people.
Exactly.
Okay, but a 4.2 score isn't a perfect 5.0. There have to be some counterpoints. Where does this start to fall apart for some people?
Well, it really comes down to two things. First, inconsistency.
Inconsistency how?
Some users reported getting sticky batches, a quality control issue, and then others just said they felt nothing. Zero benefits after 2 months.
So the effects are very individual.
Very. And that actually brings us to the bigger critique of this whole multi-ingredient approach.
The 16-in-1 thing.
Right. The sources suggest that's more of a marketing angle than it is clinical proof.
Because if you cram 16 ingredients into one little gummy, the actual dose of any single one is probably too low to do anything specific, right?
Precisely. You're not getting a therapeutic dose for, say, targeted heart health. And this leads to the most important point the sources flagged: safety.
Okay, this is what people really need to hear.
Yeah. I mean, one warning was simple: you have to stay really well hydrated. But the biggest red flag that came up was iodine.
Ah, the iodine. It's naturally in sea moss, but what's the risk when it's concentrated in a supplement like this?
Well, when you concentrate a whole food, you concentrate everything in it, including the iodine. And the feedback specifically warned that this carries a risk.
A risk for who, specifically?
Anyone who isn't monitoring their thyroid health or might already be sensitive to iodine. I mean, the company says no side effects when taken as recommended, but...
But with 16 different ingredients in the mix, that's a very general statement.
It is. It's hard to predict how any one person will react.
So putting this all together, what's the final verdict? It sounds like the gummies are, mostly legitimate for general wellness.
That's the bottom line. They seem to be well accepted, and they work for a lot of people, but they are not magic.
Right. Not a miracle cure, it's a support tool.
And the advice for you, the consumer, is pretty clear. If you're going to try it, go in with your eyes open.
Use that 30-day money-back guarantee period.
Absolutely. See how your body actually responds. If you don't feel a real difference, don't just keep taking it.
So in the end, it's a balance. High consumer approval on one side and these big, ambitious marketing claims on the other.
Before you go and add any concentrated supplement to your routine, just take a second to think about what the sources flagged with the iodine.
Right.
Given the potential wellness benefits versus the risks of a concentrated ingredient like that, what's the right balance for you? And how can you actively monitor your body's reaction to stay safe? That's really the question to mull over.